Our journey begins with a stone so rare it was once described as the rarest mineral on Earth. Discovered in the 1950s in Myanmar, painite, with its characteristic salmon orange hue, puzzled gemologists for decades. For years, only a handful of these stones were known to exist, making them more scarce than diamonds. Painite forms under a unique set of geological circumstances, a perfect storm of pressure, heat, and elemental composition. That's the allure of painite. Though more specimens have been unearthed in recent years, painite remains a prize among collectors. Our next stop takes us to the rugged landscapes of Utah and New Mexico, home to the fiery red beryl, also known as bixbyite. This gemstone, with its intense red hues, is a variety of beryl, the same family as emeralds and aquamarines. But unlike its more common cousins, red beryl is exceptionally rare. The Wawa Mountains of Utah hold the most significant deposit of this scarlet treasure, where it's found nestled amongst volcanic rhyolite. Miners carefully extract these precious crystals, often just a few carats in size. The scarcity and intense beauty of red beryl make it a highly sought-after gem. Our journey now leads us to a chance discovery that would forever alter the world of gemology. In 1945, gemologist Richard Taffer, while examining a collection of cut stones, stumbled upon something extraordinary. A small, lilac-coloured gem, initially mistaken for spinel, displayed an unusual optical property double refraction. This serendipitous find marked the discovery of taphite, one of the rarest gemstones ever known. To this day, only a handful of taphite gemstones have been identified, making it a true enigma in the world of gems. Prepare to be mesmerized by alexandrite, a gemstone that seems to possess a magical ability. Discovered in Russia in the 1830s, alexandrite is renowned for its color-changing properties, a phenomenon known as pleochroism. In daylight it shines with a vivid emerald green, but under incandescent light it transforms, revealing a fiery raspberry red. This captivating dance of color is due to the presence of chromium in its crystal structure. Alexandrite is found in limited quantities, primarily in Russia, Brazil and Sri Lanka. Its rarity, coupled with its mesmerizing color-changing ability, has made it one of the most coveted gemstones in the world. That is the allure of alexandrite. Our quest for rare gemstones now takes us to the sun-kissed state of California, home to the mesmerizing benitoite. Discovered in the early 1900s near the San Benito River, this gem captivated the world with its vivid blue fluorescence. Under UV light, benitoite bursts forth with an electric blue glow, a spectacle that sets it apart from all other gemstones. This unique property is attributed to its unusual chemical composition, a combination of barium, titanium and silica. Benitoite is found in only one place on Earth, a small area within the Diablo range of California. Its limited occurrence and captivating fluorescence have earned it the title of California's state gem. That is the magic of benitoite. Our journey takes us to the rugged landscapes of Quebec, Canada, where, in the 1960s, a delicate pink gem emerged from the earth. Named after the Poudrette family who operated the quarry where it was discovered, poudretite is a stone of exceptional rarity. Its delicate pink hues, ranging from pastel to vibrant, are a result of trace amounts of manganese within its crystal structure. Poudretite is so rare that for many years only a handful of tiny crystals were known to exist. Poudretite is a testament to the hidden treasures that lie beneath our feet. Our expedition now leads us to the island of Madagascar, a land renowned for its biodiversity and unique geological formations. It's here that we encounter Grandidierite, a gemstone named after French explorer Alfred Grandidier. This stone, with its distinctive bluish-green to greenish-blue hues, was first discovered in the early 1900s, but remained largely unknown until recent decades. Grandidierite's rarity is due to its unusual chemical composition, a complex blend of magnesium, aluminum, boron and silica. Though more deposits have been found in recent years, Grandidierite remains a rare and highly sought-after gem. Our quest for rare gemstones takes us to the vast outback of Australia, a land of ancient landscapes and hidden treasures. It's here, in the Musgrave Ranges of South Australia, that we encounter musgravite, a stone shrouded in an aura of mystery. Discovered in 1967, musgravite is so rare that for many years only a handful of tiny crystals were known to exist. Its color ranges from greyish-green to greenish-blue, often with a distinctive olive hue. Musgravite's rarity is attributed to its unusual chemical composition, a complex blend of beryllium, magnesium, aluminum, and oxygen. Musgravite remains one of the rarest gemstones on Earth, an enigma from a land of ancient wonders. Our journey now takes us to the arid landscapes of Namibia, a land of stark beauty and hidden geological wonders. It's here that we encounter Jeremejevite, a gemstone named after Russian mineralogist Pavel Sheremetyev. This stone, with its typically pale blue to colorless appearance, was first discovered in the late 1800s but remained largely unknown for decades. Jeremejevite's rarity is due to its unusual chemical composition, an aluminum borate mineral. Jeremejevite is a testament to the hidden treasures that lie beneath our feet. Though small deposits have been found in other locations, including Tajikistan and Myanmar, Jeremejevite remains a prize among collectors. Our expedition culminates in the heart of Australia, a land renowned for its opals with a gemstone that stands as the pinnacle of rarity and beauty, the black opal. Unlike its more common counterparts, black opal possesses a dark body tone that amplifies the brilliance of its iridescent play of color. Imagine a canvas of deepest black, ablaze with flashes of vibrant greens, blues, reds, and yellows. This mesmerizing display of color is caused by the diffraction of light through microscopic silica spheres within the opal. Black opals are primarily found in the Lightning Ridge region of New South Wales, Australia. The black opal stands as a testament to the extraordinary beauty hidden within our planet.